What's good, everybody? Thanks for tuning in and stopping by the channel. Now today's video, we'll be unboxing our new 18K polished Ambassador MK3. Now if you're new to this channel, I want to invite you to subscribe. That way you stay up to date with all the cool things that we do have coming in the future. Okay guys, enough with the talking. Let's get right into the video and unbox this MK3. Before we actually start unboxing the Ambassador MK3, I want to go over the packaging that it does come in. Right away you get this nice protective black sleeve that has the part number on it, and that's AM254RB, which stands for rubber band. Once you open the package, you do get exposed to the actual box that it does come in. Remove that cover sleeve and you're going to get the hard shell, which is a nice, firm, sturdy box. It has that crosshatch pattern on it. Very cool. A nice big MSTR embossed on the packaging. And then you slide that out, and this has a foam sleeve on it, so this is protecting your watch in transit and keeping it away from dust and things like that. And at last, introducing our 18K gold-plated MK3. So one of the key features that commands attention is the semi-polished to brush case. Essentially what this is going to do is create a very deep dynamic from polished to brushed. So you can see on the side of the case, you do have that beautiful Meister engraved, and that is on a polished surface. Turn that around and you're going to have the crown with the M logo engraved on it as well. This is a polished side, and then you go right down the middle and you're going to see that brushed fill all the way down to the bezel. Now the case, crown and pushers, and our signature hexagon bolts are comprised of NASA grade 316 stainless steel. Another key feature that I absolutely love is the black and gold combination. Now for me, I'm always going to be a sucker for black and gold. It commands a lot of attention and looks good on just about anything that you do put together with. Tell me in the comments below what's your favorite color duo. I love the way the black multi-layer face complements the gold accents and the gold chronographs. Now adding just a touch of white to the index and the minute markers, it truly helps the color combination to pop. Now the band chosen for the 18K MK3 is a silicone rubber strap. Essentially, this is going to give you a sporty yet comfortable feel and look. Another awesome feature that's actually an added bonus is the interchangeable strap, and all you have to do essentially is pull down on that lever and it releases the band just like that. Now this is going to allow you to create a different look and feel for the watch with many of the band options that we do have on our site. The movement chosen for the Ambassador MK3 is a Seiko VD53 Japanese 6-hand chronograph. Turning the watch over, you will get exposed to the engraved Ambassador MK3 logo, the amount number of the watch. All Ambassadors are water resistant to 100 meters. Alright, now that's going to wrap up the breakdown of the details of the Ambassador MK3. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Now I do want to invite you to subscribe. That way you don't miss out on other current and future content that will start living on this channel. We want to hear your thoughts and read your comments down below. Tell us what your favorite part of the video was. Was it the unveiling of the MK3 or how we chose to finally add an 18K finish to the watch? As always guys, we truly appreciate the love and support. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications. Until the next one, have a great day.